Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add a trend line in MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4. And as you can see here, we have a trend. Okay, so a down trend. So to add the trend line, all you have to do is go to this icon right here and click on it. Now you can draw your trend line like this, for example. Okay, so this is our trend line. Now let's say you want to extend this trend line either to the left or to the right. Okay, so all you have to do is click on it 2 times until you see these dots right here. Then right click on properties, go to parameters, and let's say for example you want to extend it to the right. So all you have to do is click on right, click on OK, and as you can see here, this is our trend line. You can drag it, you can place it wherever you want. Or let's say, for example, you want to extend it to the left, right click, properties, and click on ray left. You can keep them both if you want, like this, or you can keep just one of them. So let's keep, for example, ray left and click on OK, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.